Hey, all my foodie friends and family. How are you all doing today? I'm doing great, so I think you are too. What do you think? Anyways, today we're going to do some Italian sausage patties and fried eggs. Do you remember that sausage mix I made for the last recipe with the stuffed peppers? Well, when you have leftovers, this is what you can do with them. They make absolutely delicious breakfast sausage patties. They are so good, you must try them. Remember, they have breadcrumb and egg and cheese and salt, pepper, and that beautiful mild Italian sausage meat. You could certainly switch it up and use the hot sausage meat instead, but I'll leave that up to you. I'm a wimp. I always like the mild, but they are so delicious no matter which way you try them. So in a grill pan, I've made patties out of the sausage meat, and I've put them in the pan along with some mini peppers that I had left over from the last recipe. They're going to make a delicious fry up for breakfast. Doesn't that look good? Oh my god, they look so beautiful brown. You're going to wonder why you never had sausage patties like this before. Bob Evans, move over. Anyways, we're just sauteing them. They're beautifully brown. We just want the edges to be crisp and everything cooked through. Now, to go along with those breakfast sausage patties, I'm going to fry a couple of eggs. Some beautiful extra large eggs. I like them sunny side up, but you can make them scrambled or poached or whatever way you like. Any way goes for breakfast, right? I'm going to throw a cover on this pan because I want the tops of the eggs to just lightly baste in some steam. I don't want them hard, so it's going to be a very quick. There's a lid and there's a little bit of water. That's a trick I learned from watching some breakfast cooks in a restaurant I used to go to, and this is how they got them beautifully cooked on the top. Don't they look good? So these are ready to come out and join our Italian sausage patties with sweet peppers. There we go. Now you could certainly add some hash browns to this, do some home fries, whatever you like to eat for breakfast. Some toast would go great with this. This was an absolutely delicious breakfast, and if you've got some sausage meat left over, this is what you should do. If you liked the recipe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Just love to have some more foodies with me. Thanks for stopping by for some more food that warms your soul, and mine too. We'll see you next time.